Alright guys, welcome back. Part 3 on the Fiat. We've got ourselves a porta bar and we're in the process of bending this back. As you can see, it's a lot better now. What I'm going to do, I should have recorded it. I was pulling it out, but never mind. You just want to release that cow slowly. There we go. Better. We're just going to try that again. Just put an extension on this. Should get it. It was all the way over here a minute ago. Wish I had a photo now. It's annoying. Never mind. So we'll get another extension. I've got it right there. Put it on there. Put it back in. Push against it and it spreads. Then pushes this out. Got the hammer there and you just smack this bottom bit here. And it should be nice and straight in a minute. Fingers crossed there. Right, let's give it a go. Yeah, go on then, start pumping away. Yeah, move my legs out the way. Hopefully we can get it on. Oh. We'll stop that there a sec. Yeah, go on then. Yep. Turn it over. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a little bit further than we need. So we'll just tap it into place. And then just tap it some more. Alright guys, now that's all sorted, nice and straight. Put the new lower crash bar on. One didn't even get touched. Got to fix this because it's broken out of there, so I've got the bung, so I'll put the bung in and then tie it down so it doesn't move. But it's still got the bung in, so like this one here, just so it doesn't vibrate and damage anything. So I'll make sure I get all that in. It needs to bend down a little bit, but put this bar on, got the bolts here. Yeah, I'll need 2 hands to do that, but just literally lift it up and put the bolts in. It's 15mm, so quickly get that screwed on. Just thought I'd quickly show you before I screw the rest in. The bolt holes line up. You can see it's definitely straightened it properly, so that's happy it is. I'll put the other 6 bolts in. Still haven't got a bumper or anything yet because no one wants to sell me one. Thought it'd be easy to get parts for this. It turned out to be a little bit trickier than I thought. Alright, that's all tightened down. Bloody swing off it, it won't go anywhere. So, it's good. Now I'm just going to try sort this out. Put the bung in it like I said, and then just lift it up like that. Put the bung in and tie it down. And then fix the headlight. Got a little kit to fix it, so hopefully that works. I think that one's fine. Just gonna get that one fixed up. So we'll get on with fixing this first. Alright, so got the headlight on the Fiat here, and just turn it round. See, it's got these little screws, so that means you can buy a replacement for it. So that one's obviously broken. This one here is broken. See, that's got 2 screws in it as well. And then this one's got 2 screws in, and that's broke as well. So I've got the kit, it's in here, just inside there. So I'm gonna have to go home because I don't have my Dremel. My Dremel's at mine, so I'm gonna go get the Dremel, and then actually I'll probably just take it home and do it at mine. I might go get some more bits for the Dremel as well, because I'm not sure what I've got, because you've got to cut away all these bits of plastic to get it nice and smooth. So we'll go do that. And I've got to send this parcel back as well for the Polo. So we'll get that done. Wing off the Fiat. I'm going to try and get someone to repair it, but I don't know who I can get to do it. So I don't think it's actually that bad. It's only that little bit there. I reckon that's probably repairable. Just can't seem to get hold of anyone to do it, and that's just a wishbone off customer's card the other day. So yeah, right. We'll go back to mine and sort this headlight out. Alright guys, so I'm back at mine now and got me Dremel. So basically all I'm going to do is get this piece, which is for this one, and I'm just going to keep test fitting it kind of thing, like till it lines up. Got the Dremel, I'm just going to cut round this bit of plastic here, cut it off, obviously keeping these screw points. Got to make sure we keep them. So I'll do it to all these first. When you got this little clip here that slits on here as well, you can pop that in. I can pop that in after. I need to like pry it up in a little bit, I think. So yeah, I'll just cut these down a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like, and then you can just copy that if you've got to do it. Alright, so I've sorted all these out now. Literally just cut them a bit and then sanded them down a bit. So this one goes in there like that. I'll get the light in so you can actually see. Nice and simple. Just cut away at that bit there. You can make it look neater if you want, but it doesn't matter too much. That one's all cut back now. That one's in, so you screw it down. And same with this one. It's all cut back as well. So quickly get these screwed in, and then yeah, then that should be sorted hopefully. Right guys, there we go. It's all back together. With that one on, that clip on, 2 on that one, 1 up there, 1 there. And then also that metal clip where that's gone, it's on the other side. Add on there, that's on as well. It was rattling a little bit, but there's a bit of plastic inside or something, so I've got that out. Doesn't make any noises now. Bulb's good, so good to go. Get that put on the car tomorrow. Check the other headlights. I can't remember if I checked or not. Might need 1 or 2 maybe. I know it was definitely attached, but I think one of them might have been broke, so I need to try to fix that. But yeah, headlights all sorted now, so we can get that back in. Just waiting on a bumper. Gonna get someone to try and fix the wing, if not, try to get one. But trying to get the parts for this Fiat's being difficult for some bizarre reason. You know, I expect it from other cars, but not a Fiat like everyone. Everyone's got Fiat, so I'd assume there'd be millions of parts, but never mind. We'll get this sorted tomorrow, and then be on to the next parts to fit, I guess. Right, I've got the headlight fitted, bolt up here. Just need to get the wing on so I can get the other bolt in. And I've got that bolt there. Both headlights sorted. Right, gotta put the new wing on here. It's not in colour unfortunately, but We'll get it fitted and then just get it painted when it's on there. Got all the bumper on now. Need to fix the headlights because the lugs are broken. I forgot about. Just need to order them, get them fixed and fitted as well. It's got an MOT on Saturday, so I have to rush on it. Just get the wing out now. Yeah, we'll get it fitted on here. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. I had to sort of mission that bolt, so that'll be the only one. Be an issue. Then we can should be able to get the wheel liner in as well. Sort that out. Step better. Alright, so got the wing on now. We've just been spending a while trying to line it all up. You can see there that that's lower, but that's just because it's aftermarket and it's just not the best quality. Because if you look at the bottom one, that lines up perfectly. So it's just not the best quality, but you can see that gap. It's beautiful all the way along. And then that gap's nice. And this gap runs all the way along. Nice and even. It's lined up well, just need to get it painted now. Get all the other little bits put on. Get that attached up. Then we're good to go then. Alright, so it's a couple of days later now. I'm here to sort out these headlights. So all the clips are fixed on there. It's got the other one as you want. I'll quickly show you that one. It's all fixed up. That one's fine anyway. But then we also had these clips here. This one was broken, so we just had to take the water bottle off, which has got 3 bolts on it. Take that off and mess about with this. Got the new one in now. So we can get all that on. Get this sent home, put the headlights in, and then we're going to go get it MOT'd. Just need to finish off putting the bumper trim on as well. I think that was it. Oh, wheel liners. Put the headlight in now, can't we? Yeah, I'll grab that. Oh, that'll go in. There we go. Plug her in. Right. Ignore them scratches, they're fine. That's what they need to get into this here. I'll just pull that off. Little clips like that. There we go. Is that one in?
Okay.
It's annoying because you can't tell. Yeah. Maybe it needs pushed in a little bit more. And that one sits flush. Oh, no, that's flush. Cool. Alright then. We'll just get this screwed back in now. Start on that bumper, I think. Alright, so I've just finished putting all that stuff back together. Got the wheel liners in, number plates on, and what else did we do? We did something else. I thought, right, I haven't took this vehicle on a drive yet, so I thought, right, I'll quickly just have a little fly around the block, see how she does. And looks like no power in it at all. Obviously we know the engine's buggered, so, but I didn't think it would be like this bad. And now I'm kind of stuck here. So my mates ran off to get the battery starter. The battery's dead as well, obviously. So yeah, just waiting on that. He's back. Yeah, it's up. Right, let's try this then. That's what happens in a minute. Battery's toast. Yeah, I know you hadn't put it on. I was just showing people. Hopefully we can get it started and back home. I do not want to pay someone to pick me up. Try it?
I'll leave it for a couple of seconds.
Alright. Doo-doo. Yeah, nightmare. Hopefully I can sell this as, probably, well, I'll be selling it as spares or repairs or something, trade, but I just hope I can get the money back out of it. Gotta be careful with Copart. They will do you over. Let's give it a go. Oh, there we go. Sounds even better. Joking, the whole car's shaking. Let's try to get back. Alright, I got my mate to drive because he stalled out last time. He blamed me. But it's not me, it's me car. Foot on the floor? All the way? Oh fuck. Oh no, it's not gonna like this hill, you know, it's gonna do it again. Sounds lovely though.
Just tell me to clear because I'll drive.
Yeah, good. Keep going, you're good. You're good, 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 you're good. Fucking hell. Oh, watch the dog. I can't believe it's got around, I didn't think it was gonna. Go on, try putting some kit into it. Jesus Christ, mate. People are bloody blind.
We're dead in the fucking water. Oh no.
We've made it back. Alright, we've come to the conclusion that it's not going to go to the MOT. We don't think it'll make it. So, just gonna take some photos and try to get it gone for trade money, I guess. We're losing out on this one, unfortunately, but yeah. I'll try it though. Oh well. You live and you learn. Quickly show you around it. Just had some metal clinking. Engine's probably going to blow up. Yeah, it's pretty good. Apart from the engine. And that wing needing paint. But yeah, you know that for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.